Here I've got HUAWEI MatePad T8, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select sound and vibration, and here just scroll down a bit, click on tablet ringtone, and let me show you all of the possible options, starting with HUAWEI Tune 11.
It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the
and then just pick the one that you like the most. It can be flipped, and smoothly go back, and from now on this is your tablet ringtone. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.